Today I'm going to share with you my homeschool haul from the latest homeschool convention, the Florida Parent Education Association, the FPA, which is the largest homeschool convention actually right now in the world. And I bought so much stuff. I've never bought so much stuff before at this convention. So I'm actually going to do two videos for this. This specific video, I'm going to focus in on my older kids. So my preteens and my teenagers. I'm also going to include, the age 10, 11, right? And then the other video is going to be specific to my daughter who has Down syndrome, special needs. Ironically, with this video, I everything that I'm going to share with you is from one table and from one place. And that is because I went a little crazy. And they're all games. So maybe I should say this is like the gaming haul. So anyway, I'm really into game schooling. Game schooling is this idea that you learn through playing games, which the studies show that, with laughter and relaxation, we tend to learn faster and more efficiently. It moves into the long-term memory a lot smoother, and there's so many studies that point to that. So gaming is one way, not just video gaming, but like board gaming with the family. It builds connections. There's so many studies that it's just so positive. So this table stopped me because I've always wanted to work on my kids' vocabulary big time. That is their weakness. And I know as they start into IEW next year, vocabulary is a big thing that they have to have. So I found these stood out. See, it's bright yellow. It's bright yellow. That's why it stood out with vocabulary in it. So it's called Vocabulicious. And by the way, I'm going to point out right there, if you can see, it's from Simper Smart Games. That's the owner, the creator, his table. It's amazing. I'll leave you links in the description box below, as well as his personal website. I do know that if you do purchase from Amazon, that you guys need to leave him a review because that really helps out his business. He is a small business owner, and like these games are ingenious. All right. Anyway, so this Vocabulicious right here, it is a short game compared to the other vocabulary game I'm going to share with you in a second. And we played this several times. So it actually comes with these menu cards right here, and they're themed, which is really cool, to different restaurants. So we have like burgers and tapas and a coffee house. Anyway, you pick one of them, and on the back of them are 4 different discussion topics that you can use. So you pick one. What would you like to do on your next free day? And then there are vocabulary cards in here. They're easy, medium, and hard. Easy is appetizers, medium is entrees, and hard is dessert, and that includes some SAT words. And what they do is they pick 5 of them from any of those categories based on, what they want to really work on, challenge themselves, etc. And they have to talk about that topic with their family and try to get rid of their cards. So, for example, this is a dessert card, and you can see it says the word, it says the part of speech, the colors have to do with the parts of speech, and then the description right here, or excuse me, the definition, the example gives you some synonyms and antonyms to kind of help them out with the word. All right, really fun game, and I love it. We had so much fun. The kids started playing this, and they were like, ooh, ooh, and they got challenged, and they wanted to play more. Okay, the second game I got, which is also a vocabulary word, is called WonWord right here. Now, I haven't opened this one up yet because, like I said, I just got these, but I will show you the back right here. This one is a longer game. It's for age 12 and up, and it takes anywhere from 30 to 50 minutes to play. It has a little bit more strategy with it. There are 3 game versions, which is based on the player's skill and desired difficulty, and there is also a cooperative and competitive player version. So there's lots of different ways you can play it. It comes with dice. It comes with the vocabulary cards. It has like challenge cards as well. And so this is going to be our next game that we pull out. All right, moving away from language arts and into, okay, this one's kind of a mix. This game is kind of a mix. And this is actually a very, very popular homeschool game. I've noticed a lot of parents have been talking about it. There was a lady at the table that said she has public school kids come to her house after school to play this game because they have so much fun. And I think it's going to beat Ticket to Ride. That's my opinion. Okay, that's just my opinion. So it's called Election Night, and the goal is to win presidency by collecting votes. And on the back, there's 2 different boards, and he keeps them up to date, which is really nice. One is for multiplication and one is for addition. So it's combining geography, it's combining American government, and it's combining math. Players roll the dice, and that's what's going to help them get electoral votes. And there is strategy behind it. So it's a combination of all those things. And this actually came with some extra bonus challenge cards. So we have the citizenship test, and we have the state capitals, which gives you more votes if you can answer these correctly. So yeah, get some public school kids and see if you know if they're smarter than a homeschooler, which they probably aren't. That's just my opinion. I'm going to move into math. I got this one specifically for my middle daughter, and this is fractions. We haven't played it yet, but it looks like it's a pretty quick game. It says, 20 to 30 minutes, and 9 and older, and basically you're just doing fractions with these little creatures. Now, okay, of course, like, I'm not a big fan of little creatures and stuff like that, but my friend who was at the table with me pointed out they're kind of like Beast Academy. So her son actually uses Beast Academy. So if you guys use Beast Academy, which is, by the way, a phenomenal curriculum, it has nothing to do with the beast, okay? It has everything to do with critical thinking and problem solving skills. Anyway, these are little Beast Academy type creatures. So I think it really could go well with it. But anyway, it teaches fractions. I got for my preteens and my teens because this is what it's called. And it's, it plays, from what I understand, it plays a lot like poker or card game, and a game where you have to bluff the other person based on the dice that you roll. And it's math. It's strategy with math. So it's a quick game too. It's 20 to 30 minutes, and it says 3 to 6 players. Now, he did, when I was at the table, it says 8 and up. That's like, if you're, skill-wise, 8 and up. However, there's that element of lying to it, right? And so preteens and teens seem to like it better. It's a really fun one. It's a way to trick them into playing some math games. And next we have Shut the Box, which a lot of you guys may know this game, but what he did is he upped it, okay? It's like 2.0 Shut the Box, maybe. I don't know what you want to call it, but it's definitely upped because his dice are different. So you have more creative ways to shut the box. So there's numbers. I don't know if you haven't played Shut the Box, basically you've got these numbers and you got to get them all down. I know, I went like totally crazy. This is, a lot. This is a lot. And I'm really excited. I already started playing these games and I'm looking forward to it. I'm leaving all the links down in the description box below, as well as his website. So be sure to check them out. Great Christmas presents, Hanukkah presents, presents for birthdays, and just, buy it with the scholarship. The Scholar Shop covers anything that you purchase on Amazon. So there you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will fill you in on haul number 2 next week for my daughter who has Down syndrome. She's 9 years old, and what we're doing with her and all the crazy that I bought her. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.